Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever felt like your skin just needs a little TLC, especially after a long day or a busy week? We've all been there, and that's exactly why I'm so excited to share today's gem, a hydrating face mask that promises to soothe, repair, and deliver glowing skin in just 15 minutes. Let's talk about the Yilian Hydrating Face Mask. If you're looking for a quick hydration boost, this product might be exactly what your skincare routine is missing. This mask is packed with 5 types of hyaluronic acid and ceramides, working together to deliver moisture deep into your skin while restoring its protective barrier. This isn't just your typical sheet mask. It's scientifically designed with ingredients that help even the most sensitive skin feel calm and refreshed. With prebiotics to balance your skin's microflora and reduce irritation, it's especially suited for those with more reactive skin. If you've struggled with hydration-heavy products that leave your skin feeling sticky or greasy, this could be a total game changer. Now, what sets this mask apart from others is the dry-wet separation design. The 28-gram serum is kept fresh inside a diatomite fiber sheet, which holds 19x its weight in serum. The honeycomb structure of the sheet ensures it adheres beautifully to the skin, preventing any slipping, and maximizes serum absorption. Once applied, it hugs every curve of your face, ensuring no part is left out. I personally love how the mask feels during application. It's a bit of a sensory experience, cool, refreshing, and incredibly hydrating. I tested it after a long day, and within 15 minutes, my skin was looking dewy, plump, and smooth, without any greasy residue. Makeup went on so much better the next morning, and my skin felt nourished all day. The glow was real. As with any product, it's not without a couple of small things to keep in mind. First, while it does what it claims, those with very oily skin might feel the need to tone down the moisture a bit afterward. It's really perfect for dry to normal skin types, or for anyone who needs that extra boost of hydration and soothing. Also, the design can feel a little bulky when you're first applying it. If you're used to thinner, more traditional masks, the texture may feel different at first, but the results are definitely worth it. When it comes to the value for money, I'd say it's pretty solid. For the 28 gram by 10 masks, you're getting a well-constructed product with high-quality ingredients. Given how much hydration you get in such a short amount of time, it justifies the price for me. The 5D hyaluronic acid complex is impressive, and the ceramides are a fantastic addition for anyone looking to reinforce their skin's moisture barrier. In terms of quality, this mask is on the higher end, but I believe it delivers the hydration and calming effects it promises. If you're considering alternatives, there are definitely other hydrating masks out there, but many don't come close to the unique formula this one offers. The combination of 5 types of hyaluronic acid and ceramides really stands out in the market. So if you're after targeted hydration with added benefits like soothing and barrier repair, this is a standout. One thing I really appreciate about this mask is the eco-friendly design of the diatomite fiber sheet. It's not just a pretty face, it's actually more breathable and sustainable than many other options on the market. So, who would benefit most from this mask? If you've been on the hunt for something that offers deep hydration without leaving your skin greasy or feeling weighed down, this one's for you. It's ideal for anyone with dry, sensitive, or stressed out skin, and those who love products that deliver noticeable results quickly. The fact that it also preps your skin beautifully for makeup? Major bonus. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, I haven't had a chance to interact with the brand directly, but based on its overall reputation for customer service, I expect they handle any inquiries with care. If you've had experience with their customer support, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. If you've tried this mask or have any favorites you think I should check out, drop a comment below and let me know. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.